Okay, so I wanted to go through um, the the cat discussion before we wrapped it up for today. Okay, so in Canvas, I do have this as an assignment, and we're going to be having a discussion on cats. What's the dilemma? It's an article to read for you, and then you're going to prepare your own position on what you think. Um, like what is it that what you think about, okay? You should use additional research to support your position, and I suggest that you type it up or write up your notes ahead of the discussion and have them available, okay? We're going to meet in Google Hangouts, and I sent the email out today. So there's an email that I sent out with some information, and then I also sent out an invite. So you should have two things in your Gmail account for me. They'll have the link to the Hangout in that email. Okay, so we won't meet here. We will meet in Hangouts and have a discussion. Independent students are welcome to attend. And we were actually going to do it this week, but I moved it to next week. And independent students did get an email, and you guys are slated for Thursday the 9th. Okay. Um, what we will be discussing is that indoor cats versus outdoor cats. What do you think? Should all city cats be indoor cats? Is it okay for farmers to have outdoor cats? Is it important for cats to hunt? Should we have laws limiting cats either to inside and outside? And the article talks about how cats have an impact on the bird population. Okay, so we're kind of looking at that. I give you some places to start your research, okay? But you want to do a little, because the article doesn't give you a ton of information. Um, so your research should focus on indoor versus outdoor, you know, what's happening, what should we do, that kind of thing, okay? Are there questions on this at all? Great. If you want to use personal experience, you totally can. Okay, that's totally fine, but also make sure that you're backing it up with some additional research. And if you do have a question about it, come and see me. I'm going to be in my office this afternoon, and I'm using Hangouts for my office hours now. So you'll have to sign up for a time slot. And then I'll be in study hall on Tuesday, and I have office hours on Wednesday. And then we will not have study hall Thursday this week, okay? Now, you won't have class on Wednesday. You can use this time to finish up your work for the current unit that we're in because we're just at the end of the unit. So use Wednesday to get any missing homework in or any corrections that you want to make. Use Wednesday to finish up your migration project. If you're already done with that, use Wednesday to work on your class discussion because we're going to have this discussion when we get back um, on Wednesday after spring break, okay, which is April 8th. Okay, questions. You guys have questions about your migration project? Questions about the cat project? Actually, the cat discussion. Okie doke. Well, then that'll wrap it up for us today. I'm not gonna keep you guys here just to sit. So, again, if you do have questions, you do have things that you want to go over, let me know. Tyler? It's on the 8th. Okay, and you guys got an email on it. I just have to update it in Canvas, the assignment, because I had changed it to after spring break. Okay, so I'll just update it in Canvas. Okie doke. Well, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day and an awesome week and have a great spring break. And I will see you next week, Wednesday.